Welcome back. So I've been trying out all this concealer I own, and by trying out I mean a proper wear taste. I've been using this particular, all the concealers for 10 days, one concealer for 10 days and then different one. I've been wearing those concealers for 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, and basically to check what I like about this product, how it performs on my skin, and how it performs with different techniques and different products basically. So the point is, there are so many hyped up concealer in the market, and you might have bought one after your favorite YouTuber's recommendation, but sometimes those famous holy grail products seem to work for everyone on the internet but don't work for you. I know that happens. So what do you do if that happens? You find a way to make it work, right? After all, you have spent your hard-earned money on it. So the purpose of this video is to find a best way to use the particular product that you own. And if you already own that concealer and don't like this or like it, watch to find out if you can use it in any other way to suit your needs. And if you don't own any concealer that I'm going to talk about but looking for a recommendation, you may want to continue watching to see if this is the right fit for your personal issues. By personal issues, I mean hyperpigmentation, dark circles, stuff like that, not daddy issues.
Are you listening, girl?
MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. Now what drew me towards actually wanting to buy this one was the reviews online. This guy got 5 star out of 5. Like, everybody was just raving on about how good it is, and it does not settle into your fine lines at all. And I do have some fine lines underneath my right eye over here. I do struggle with concealer settling in there. I do struggle with some fine lines over here on my forehead. When you're very expressive, it just happens, right? But so many people are like, literally, this stuff is magic, it does not settle at all, does not crease at all, does not budge, it stays all day. So I thought, let me buy it. And it's been so many months since I've been using it. So spoiler, it does everything it claims, but I did find out some of the new things about this product when I used it in a row for 10 days. I have been using this concealer on and off for past few months, ever since I got it, but this time I stick to it for 10 days, just this concealer every day, all day. I tried it with full face of makeup, without makeup, tried it under my eyes, as a concealer, as a highlighter, as a contouring. I have different colors as well. So I've tried it with powder, without setting powder, without finishing powder, layered it on another foundation and other products. And after all those experiments, I am going to tell you what I think about it. First, I'm going to give you a read about what they say on the website. This stuff is a lightweight fluid concealer that provides seamless coverage, blurs imperfections, offers all-day comfortable wear. So obviously it's 24-hour wearing formula, and it provides medium to full buildable coverage. Skin looks smoother, even, and selfie ready. Okay, so I like that the skin looks fresh and perfected with natural matte finish, and that's never dry or cakey. So you get about 7 ml of the product in this one, available in 34 shades. I haven't actually seen the shade range in person myself, but I know that MAC is very diverse in the shade range. All packaging is nice. So this one comes in this plastic container. It got this black tape, it got this 24-hour white bold letter, the shade name is on the bottom, and then this doe foot applicator. It has a bit of a scent to it. It smells very much like that pro longwear concealer from MAC and some other MAC concealers like smell. It's not overpowering though, it smells all right. Smell goes away after a few minutes. I would call this a medium coverage. It sort of blends out to a medium coverage. Now they did say that it is a buildable coverage, so I did try building it up one day for a full coverage effect, and couple of areas on my face just to see how it wears, and it's like perfect. It does blend out really nicely even after several layers. It's certainly covering all the darkness that I had in my eyes without any corrector. I also found that this blended best because it was freshly applied. If you were to use this as a highlighter, you might want to avoid doing that Instagram like drawings, triangle, entire face highlight and then go and blend it. Don't do that. I found if you supposedly do one side first, blend one side first and second side wait for it, it will settle in and it will not blend as quickly or as better. I'm assuming because it sets down onto your skin, so probably would recommend that you should work quite quickly with this one. Let's have a close look at how my skin is looking all night. So this is how it's looking on my skin when it is freshly applied, and I do wish I had deeper color. It does look very smooth. I'm not finding that settling or anything. It was very creamy, it feels very lightweight on the skin, so it definitely, I mean, all the claim that they mentioned, you know, they are sort of holding up. I also used some loose powder on one side for the shake of it and, you know, see how it looks. Then all right, so I pressed that into my skin. It's definitely a natural finish. It's not, you know, how sometimes when you apply like really matte concealer and that you can see kind of like where the concealer stops and the foundation starts, because it's just so mattifying. This one is definitely not doing that. This one is definitely more natural matte, you know, exactly how they described it, sort of leaves like a very light sheen on the skin. Okay, so that's the side powder down, and what it looks like powdered one here, it is without powder one here. Yeah, so it looks absolutely beautiful powdered down, guys. It feels extremely weightless. My skin, like, I don't really feel like I'm wearing a whole set of makeup.